Are you trying to figure out the easiest way to add money to your Cash App? Don't worry. In the next couple of minutes, I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can start transferring money without any confusion. Stick with me till the end because I'll also share a quick tip that makes adding money faster next time you do it. First, open your Cash App and look for the bank icon on the bottom left. This is where all your balance and transfer options live. Tap on it, and you'll see an option to either add money using your debit card or link a bank account. If you have a debit card, select Add Card, type the amount you want to transfer, and tap Add. Now just enter your debit card details, confirm, and the funds will be moved over instantly. Don't have a debit card? No problem. When prompted for card details, just select No Card. You'll then see a list of banks. Choose yours, log in with your online banking credentials, and link the account. Once your bank account is linked, go back to the main menu, tap Add Cash under your balance, type the amount you want to add, and hit Add again to confirm. And that's it. Your money should now show up in your Cash App balance, ready to send, spend, or invest. Pro tip, once your bank is linked, you can add cash even faster next time with just a few taps. No need to enter your details again. So if this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy Cash App tutorials. And if you have questions, drop them in the comments. I reply to as many as I can.